The complainant approached her, accosted her, bumped into her, and said, "I'll fucking kill you and your fucking family." For those reasons,
A reasonable response would be,
I'm not talking about, I mean, we'll get to the guilt or innocence, so she has a right to defend herself when she's run into. But you're right.
Sticks and stones.
I dare, he ran into her, Your Honor, made physical contact. But that's not the point of what I'm saying. I agree, we can litigate all this later. I have a real problem with her being ordered, although she doesn't own any handguns or weapons, her husband does. This guy has threatened to kill her and her effing family. I would ask that that bond condition, I don't care if it's on her, but that they not be forced to remove all weapons from their home.
well, I'm just ordering her not to be in possession.
Okay.
Right.
That's
I mean,
as long
the
as
husband didn't get charged,
household
correct?
can be there.
She's the only one that's charged. I mean, I don't have any jurisdiction over the husband. For future reference, call the cops, you know? I mean, I think that they're 16-year-olds, all 16-year-olds act like what? Right, like a bunch of a-holes, right? I have nearly one, I'm just waiting for when he starts acting like this as well.
I'm raising two.
Right, but for future reference, so the only thing I'm gonna ask you to do is don't have any contact with these kids, don't go near them. Chances are, if they were renting an Airbnb, they're probably gone.
They weren't, Your Honor. It turns out there is a house on the street that's rented out to the outrage of the entire community.
So
He actually lives with his aunt way down the street. My client didn't know that. That's why she asked the question. The only other thing, and I'm sure you'll tell me it's okay for me to have contact with the complainant. I don't really want contact with him other than to give them a no trespassing warning to not come to their house.
Just be careful, because remember, they're 16-year-olds, so when you try to go there, and I'm assuming they're just gonna try to butt heads with you like Billy goes,
I know
so
how to be careful. We actually asked the constable to deliver them. For whatever reason, they declined.
if you get one that declines, go to the next one. Just keep going until at some point, you'll get to someone that responds. If one constable says no, just go right up the chain and just keep calling until someone does, right? At some point they will. And just tell them that we really have a problem with speeding and this kind of problem in the neighborhood, and hopefully someone will listen, hopefully. So the only other thing that I'm going to advise is that I'm hoping that there's another way out of this subdivision, right?
She lives beyond them, so yes, she goes another way up.
Great. So I would just try to maintain, because if they call and say, hey, she's harassing me again, what's going to happen? And I believe it. So for now, I am going to find probable cause. Like I said, you have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time to come into court, but you must stay in touch with counsel. He will tell you if and when you have to come back to court. I will have you go to Victoria Center, reset. After that, we'll just have you take a seat in the jury box. We'll get your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go after you sign.